Snow White said to the witch, I'm quite impressed by the wares that you sell. I can tell they look so fine, they'll taste divine. But though I need apples for my apple cake, I've become a bit more cautious of late. And so here's the thing I would like to know. So far my life has had both bad and good, but I don't care as long as the ending is Hollywood. I don't want to sign up for a story unless I can be sure it has a fairy tale ending, a fairy tale ending. Snow White said to the prince, I really enjoyed that kiss. I have missed the human touch so much. But before we go planning weddings and trips, I would like to know more of you than your lips. And so here's the thing I would like to know. So far my love has had both bad and good, but I don't care as long as the ending is Hollywood. I don't want to sign up for a story unless I can be sure it has a fairy tale ending, a fairy tale ending. Though there are fairy tales without fairy tale endings, I think you can guess the message I'm sending. I want days that are filled with warmth and with laughter. That's my version of fairy tale. That be my happily ever after. So far my love has had both bad and good, but I don't care as long as the ending is Hollywood. I don't want to sign up for a story unless I can be sure it has a fairy tale ending, a fairy tale ending. Alone I spend another night. I close my book, I dim the light. I wait for sleep to numb my lonely ache. No rest I find inside my bed, no rest but yearning thoughts instead. And when I sleep my heart My mind has thoughts no minister could take. Dreams fill me up with wild desires, the constant hope that never tires. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Longing dances through my evening prayers. She ties my wrists and ankles to the bed. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled. Never know. Longing robs you of your peace, a discontent that will not cease. All walls of satisfaction she will break. Perhaps she breaks what she cannot mend, but she stays close and loyal as a friend. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Longing dances through my evening prayers. She ties my wrists and ankles to the bed. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled. Never known. Now I have faith in God above. I have faith that I'll find my love, and I hope I'm right. My whole heart is at stake. But faith and hope are hard to keep, and all this time I'm losing sleep. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled. Never know. Sul mare luccica l'astro d'argento, placida l'onda, prospero il vento. Sul mare luccica l'astro